Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Hannah Wangui Hencha. Today I will show you how to make easy layered chapatis, very soft and very delicious, so stay tuned. You will need 2 cups of flour, 5 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, lukewarm water and cooking oil. We'll start off by warming our water. In a saucepan I have approximately 1 cup. I'll add 5 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir till it's well dissolved. Don't forget to check the temperature of the water so it doesn't get hot. I love flavoring my water instead of the flour since I am assured of whether my seasonings are the correct quantity. The reason is because I get to taste my water. It's obviously impossible to taste your flour. I therefore urge you to try this method. In a bowl, I have 2 cups of flour. I will gradually add my lukewarm water while stirring with a spoon. I will do this till I feel all my flour has been in contact with the water. I will then switch to using my hands. I will knead this for about 5 to 7 minutes till the dough is soft. I'll apply some little oil, then continue kneading. From there, I will form a nice ball and then cover with a dry cloth. I'll let it sit for 30 minutes. Now I will roll my dough and cut out the number of chapatis I want to obtain. I'll take out one ball and begin to roll till it's very thin. In this cup, I have some flour mixed with baking powder. I'll spread some oil on the rolled dough, then dredge with the flour and baking powder mixture. I'll then fold and repeat the same process after every fold I make. After folding, I will roll out my chapatis and fry on both sides. If you want your chapatis to look more layered, don't spread it too much so that you can have thick layered chapatis. The layers will be more visible at this point. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. This is the channel where we help you discover new and exciting recipes and help you unlock your creativity. Let's meet in the next one.